Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Aqara Smart Lock U200, a cutting-edge device that's making waves in the smart home market. Picture this. You come home from a long day, your hands are full of groceries, and instead of struggling to find your keys, you simply place your finger on a sleek, modern door lock, and voila, your door unlocks effortlessly. Well, welcome to the reality of smart door locks. Traditional locks have served us well for centuries, but let's be honest, they can be a hassle. Lost keys, stolen keys, or just the inconvenience of having to carry them everywhere. Smart door locks are not just about convenience. They offer enhanced security, multiple ways to unlock, and seamless integration with your smart home ecosystem. Stay with us as we dive into one of the latest innovations in this category, the Aqara Smart Lock U200. Be sure to click the link in the description for the best deal on this sweet buy. The Aqara Smart Lock U200 is packed with features that aim to make your life easier and more secure. It supports multiple unlocking methods, from the ultra-convenient Apple Home key to fingerprint, passcode, NFC, and even mechanical keys for emergencies. This means you can choose the most convenient way for you and switch between them as needed. Fingerprint recognition is lightning fast and accurate, making it a breeze to unlock your door. The keypad is responsive and supports temporary passwords, perfect for granting access to guests without worrying about key copies. One standout feature is the quiet unlock mode. This allows the door to unlock slowly, reducing noise levels. A thoughtful touch for late-night entries. And with the auto lock function, you never have to worry about forgetting to lock your door. The U200 is powered by rechargeable Li-ion batteries, providing up to 6 months of use on a single charge. Installation is straightforward, with no drilling or screwing required. It fits over existing locks, making it an excellent choice for renters. Security is paramount with the U200. It features AES encryption and a tamper alert function, ensuring your home remains secure. Integration with Apple Home, Google Home, Alexa, and SmartThings means you can control your lock remotely, receive real-time notifications, and set up automation for a truly smart home experience. Let's hear what some users have to say. One user praised the sleek design and robust build quality, noting how easy it was to install and set up. They love the multiple access options and found the fingerprint recognition to be incredibly fast and accurate. Another user highlighted the lock's seamless integration with multiple smart home ecosystems. They appreciated the instant response to commands and the convenience of granting temporary access codes to guests. A third user mentioned the ease of installation and setup, especially within the Aqara app and Apple Home. They were impressed with the lock's performance, despite some initial finickiness with the keypad, which resolved quickly. Smart door locks are transforming the way we secure our homes. When choosing a smart lock, consider the unlocking methods: ease of installation, battery life, and integration with your smart home ecosystem. The Aqara Smart Lock U200 checks all these boxes, making it a strong contender in the smart lock market. Here are 3 key features that make the Aqara Smart Lock U200 a sweet buy. 1. Multiple unlocking methods, from fingerprint to Apple Home key. Enjoy versatile and secure access. 2. Quiet unlock mode and auto lock. Enhance your security with minimal noise and automatic locking. 3. Seamless smart home integration. Control your lock remotely and set up automation with Apple Home, Google Home, Alexa, and SmartThings. Ready to upgrade your home security? Let us know in the comments below. You are simply sweet for watching. Thanks, and see you in the next video.